Elon Musk has done it again. From transforming transportation with Tesla to exploring Mars with SpaceX, he's now taking on housing. Today, we're diving into his $17,890 Tesla tiny house, a revolutionary, affordable, and futuristic home designed for sustainable living. But what makes it so special? How does it stack up against traditional homes? And could this truly be the future of living? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just be rethinking your dream home. Before we dive in, what's one feature you think every tiny house should have? Let me know in the comments. Traditional homes come with a host of challenges: high costs, constant maintenance, and energy inefficiency. The Tesla tiny house is designed to tackle these problems head-on. Its compact design slashes construction costs, and Tesla's cutting-edge solar technology virtually eliminates utility bills. Imagine owning your home outright for less than the price of a new car, while drastically reducing your environmental footprint. It's a game changer. Let's take Sarah, for example. She's a young professional overwhelmed by high rent and electricity bills. With the Tesla tiny house, Sarah could save thousands every year while living sustainably. Would you make the switch to this stress-free lifestyle? Let me know in the comments if this sounds like something you'd consider. What sets the Tesla tiny house apart is its brilliant interior and exterior design. The exterior is sleek, minimalist, and built from lightweight yet durable materials. It's easy to tow and withstands extreme weather conditions. The roof is fitted with state-of-the-art solar panels, seamlessly blending into the design while powering the entire home. The interior is where the magic happens. As you step in, you're greeted by an open, modern space that feels cozy yet surprisingly spacious. Every inch is thoughtfully designed with functionality in mind. Multifunctional furniture, like a couch that converts into a bed and a dining table that folds into the wall, maximizes the use of space. Hidden storage compartments keep things organized without clutter. Whether you're a young professional, a retiree, or a digital nomad, the Tesla tiny house has something for everyone. Sustainability is at the heart of the Tesla tiny house, and this is where the company's technological expertise shines. Imagine living in a home powered entirely by the sun. Tesla's advanced solar panels and Powerwall batteries make that a reality. These systems store energy efficiently, ensuring that your home remains powered even during a blackout. Let me share a story about Mark and Lisa, who recently moved into the Tesla tiny house prototype. They're living entirely off-grid in a remote area, enjoying a $0 energy bill and an almost non-existent carbon footprint. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle shift. What would you do with the money you'd save on energy bills? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The exterior design of the Tesla tiny house is both compact and stunning. Its aerodynamic shape makes it easy to transport, even with a Tesla Model X. The durable materials are built to withstand harsh climates, from scorching summers to freezing winters. And here's a fun fact: Elon Musk's inspiration for this project came from his own experience living in a small prefab home. It's built for mobility, sustainability, and style, all in one package. Now let's talk about the interior, which is a tech lover's dream. The house is equipped with Tesla's Smart Panel, a centralized control hub that lets you manage everything from lighting to climate settings with a touch or voice command. The modular furniture and space-saving features are a testament to Tesla's innovative approach to design. Despite its compact size, the interior feels spacious and functional, with areas for lounging, dining, and sleeping seamlessly integrated. The Tesla tiny house is packed with mind-blowing features. The solar integration not only powers the house but often generates more energy than you need. Its advanced water system collects and filters rainwater for reuse, making it perfect for off-grid living. The modular furniture adapts to your needs, turning small spaces into multifunctional areas. Every feature is designed to make your life easier and more sustainable. Which feature stands out the most to you? Share your thoughts below. So, why consider a tiny house in 2025? Rising housing costs, environmental concerns, and the push for minimalism make the Tesla tiny house a practical and forward-thinking choice. It's not just a solution for the future, it's a statement about living smarter, not larger. The technology behind this tiny house allows it to be fully self-sustaining, from energy to water management, offering independence from traditional utilities. Inside, you'll find a compact yet comfortable space that feels anything but cramped. From a high-tech living room to a fully functional kitchen, every inch of the house is optimized for comfort and convenience. And there you have it, the Tesla tiny house. Affordable, sustainable, and packed with cutting-edge technology, it's not just a home but a glimpse into the future of living. Whether you're dreaming of off-grid independence or simply looking for a simpler life, this tiny house offers a compelling alternative. Could you see yourself living in one? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.